Inspired by the elegant Hampton style commonly found in the New England coast, the Laminette residence seamlessly combines traditional East Coast charm with a contemporary California space plan that gets the most out of its indoor and outdoor spaces. Our clients came to us with big dreams for their home. As a result, the Laminette residence became a passion project for our team, and we began by exploring the unique topography and orientation of the land they hoped to build it on in order to maximize the views of their beautiful surroundings. The exterior of the home followed a traditional shingle-style aesthetic with stone, shingles, and lovely wood detailing. However, because we were building in a high fire zone, fiber cement shingles and trim that were characteristic of the style but made of inflammable materials were used for extra precaution. A combination of gable and shed dormer vents provide adequate ventilation of the attic while complementing the design of the facade, and in the evenings, the gorgeous burnished bronze wall-mounted light fixtures and pathway lights beautifully illuminate the home. The striking elegance of the exterior continues inside. As you enter the foyer, we are surrounded by gorgeous natural light that pours in from the stained glass paneling and leaded glass side lights of the large front doors. The crisp white interior and dark hand-scraped walnut wood floors beckon you into the space. The charming powder room displays a gorgeous polished calcite countertop to the melamine cabinetry. The cabinets were also given a rich wood glaze to match the aesthetic of our client's beloved wood frame mirror that they hope to integrate into the space from their prior home. Around the corner is the living room, a great room opened up to the kitchen and dining room, providing our clients plenty of space to entertain. The palette of the space really drives home the Hamptons aesthetic as well, with crisp whites, deep blues, and dark wood floors. Despite the breadth of the space, the living room still feels cozy, especially in winter months thanks to the gas fireplace. Large windows along the back of the home are adorned with elegant wood detailing and fill the great room with natural light. The intricate tray ceilings add drama and balance to the rest of the wood detailing. And overhead, another bronze pendant lighting fixture hangs, a Weston round chandelier from Restoration Hardware that adds an opulent flair to the space. The kitchen continues the trend of gorgeous crisp white tray ceilings and walnut floors, enriching the Hampton aesthetic with satin nickel faucets, a glossy ceramic tile backsplash from Pratt & Larson, and a polished granite countertop from Marvelous. The space is equipped with all of the state-of-the-art appliances our clients could ever need. A built-in fridge, freezer, double-wall oven, and dishwasher from Thermador, as well as a built-in microwave from KitchenAid, all provide top-of-the-line functionality and features, while seamlessly integrating into the birch and alder cabinetry, leaving ample space to cook and converse as a family. Space was also conveniently carved out under the counters for a U-line wine cooler and ice maker to keep our clients' drinks cool at their convenience. Finally, the lovely kitchen island really catches the eye thanks to the glossy historic nickel light pendant overhead. Moving into the west wing of the home, the laundry room offers ample storage space with more crisp white birch and alder cabinetry, and creates a breezy and serene atmosphere thanks to its porcelain tile flooring, calcite backsplash, and gorgeous calcite Caribaka countertops. Down the hall, beautifully crafted molding and natural light from large aluminum-clad windows guide you toward the master bedroom. The suite continues the white wainscot and tray ceilings of the open living space and the Hampton-themed color scheme across its decor. From concept to construction, the breathtaking master bathroom is as vibrant in person as it is on the page. Intricate details can be seen with the cream marble tile flooring in an octagonal mosaic layout. The white granite countertops and backsplash tile from CV Tile add a beautiful contrast to the lustrous walnut cabinetry. Equipped with custom medicine cabinets, dual sinks, vintage oval vanity mirrors, and a brushed nickel shaving mirror, the space provides top-of-the-line tools and accessories for all of our clients' needs. Additionally, the sleek, elegant shower with a cast-iron pedestal tub and custom rose shower head, as well as the attached his and hers master closets, offer our clients ample storage and numerous ways to indulge during their daily routines. The upstairs of the estate was designed with the same sensibilities in mind, and to create a loft for family, friends, and visitors to stay. The two guest bedrooms share the same ornate decor, walnut floors, and light-infused spaces as the rest of the home, while the guest bathroom similarly carries forward the aesthetic choices of the master bath. Attached to the east end of the home is the real star of the show, the collector's garage and workshop. As an avid car collector and talented machinist, our client wanted a workspace that could facilitate his passion for restoring cars and fabricating parts utilizing state-of-the-art equipment. A number of choice curios, models, and vintage signs give the shop its distinct personality. In fact, between the main workshop and garage sits a display area for the housing of car and engine-themed miniature collectibles. Meanwhile, in the main collector's garage, a hydraulic car lift works for function and helps display the vast life-size collection of classics and hot rods. Finally, our clients can always lounge out under the covered patio area in their backyard and enjoy the outdoors, no matter the temp or weather, thanks to the Granite Bee vent fireplace from Masonite and Edgewood fan from Fanimation. The Laminette residence creatively combines our clients' varied aesthetic tastes, their unique hobbies and passions, and their desire for an open and practical design into a truly custom product. The home is a testament to the amazing possibilities that lie in bringing a vision to life from the ground up. To learn more about us, visit hartmanbaldwin.com. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to hear the stories behind more of our favorite transformations.